Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Motorola Watch 40, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing this device. So, firstly, let's take a look at the packaging. So, Motorola Watch 40 comes in a maybe not too sleek but compact box. As we open it, so let's wait. Firstly, we should open it. Let's try to do that. Wow, cool. So here we was greeted with watch itself. So let's open it. Wow, it looks really great. So here inside we have watches, and underneath we have the accessories, a magnetic charging cradle. Wait a while. Yes. A user manual maybe, and what about warranty? Oh, and warranty. Cool. Moto Watch com warranty. Maybe on Moto Watch.com we just can provide our serial number, and serial number and warranty will be pinned to our serial number. So here we have our watch, and it's really stylish, you know. I really love this design. So let's look on it. It's really cool. So here we have really comfortable silicone strap. As you can see, here we have a zinc alloy case. Wow, it's really cool. As you can see here, I have a rose gold color, but this device is available in phantom black. I think in phantom black it will look more stylish. As you can see here on the light, we can see where the screen starts. Let's try to enable it. What about display? Here we have 57 inches LCD display, providing clean visuals. And here, this device offers 87 or 85 customizable watch faces. And of course, it's not the Android Wear. It's just Motorola Smart Band, maybe. You know, it's not the smartwatches. It's just, it's like Xiaomi Smart Band, you know, and they have Xiaomi watches. So it's just normal smart Xiaomi Mi Band, but with bigger display. So this is the same thing. We have Xiaomi Motorola Smart Band with wide display, and that's it. So it's not too smart device. So here we have tracking health and fitness features, like 24/7 heart rate monitoring, SpO2, so oxygen in blood tracking, sleep tracking, stress monitoring. So it also tracks your steps, of course, calories, and various activities, making it a great companion for your fitness journey, maybe. As you can see now, it's trying to count my pulse. And what about battery? So here inside we have 240 mAh battery, and that can last up to 10 days on a single charge under normal usage conditions. So I think we can count to 5 days, so 1 week I think it will work with one charge, and it's really cool. Here we have a rapid charging technology, and we can fully charge this device in 30 minutes. And in this case, I can tell you that it's really, really, really cool. So, as I said, here we have no Android Wear or Google Wear. Here we have Moto Watch OS, and it's compatible with both Android and iOS devices. You just need to download the Moto Watch application from the Play Store or from the App Store, and it supports Bluetooth 5, and additionally you need to give access to your smartphone notifications. And so maybe that's it. I really like this device, like a smart band, like a fitness bracelet, like a fitness band, but it's not the smart device, like device you can make calls from it, for example. You know, you can't make call, or you can't receive calls. You have no even microphone here, so you have no speakers here too, and you know, so it's just cool for sport. It looks really cool, it looks really stylish. It's not it don't look cheap, you know, but it's not the smartwatch, it's just smart band. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.